Hello, today we're going to be 743 2nd Avenue. This is the exterior of the building. You're walking distance to Golden Gate Park, and you're in the Inner Richmond, also walking distance to all the wonderful shops on Clement. Okay, so let's enter the building here. This is a lovely 2-unit building. This is the entryway. As you can see, this unit is nicely maintained. The doorbells are to the left. You enter through this nice open foyer. The entrance to the unit is to the left here, and you walk up to the top floor. This unit has been completely renovated. There's lots of space, beautiful stained glass window, hardwood floors throughout this entire flat. And you walk up, and there is a nice big foyer with a little nook here. You can put a little bench for seating. This is the living room, kitchen, dining, and we're going to start this tour off towards the back of the building. Okay, so over here is a nice little storage area. We're going to walk around the corner here, and to the right, you have a full bathroom with tub and shower combination. Nice big shower head, medicine cabinet, beautiful modern design. The toilet is tucked away behind the door. Okay, here's the first bedroom. These 2 bedrooms are located towards the back of the building, so it is extremely quiet. Nice big walk-in closet with built-in shelves. From this room, you do get a view of the beautiful backyard, which is shared between the 2 units. Okay, so the second bedroom has a bonus room attached. This one also has a nice big walk-in closet with built-in shelves. And each of the rooms in this flat has amazing natural light. Here is the full bath here, tub and shower combination with glass enclosure, nice big shower head. And they're both very similar in design. And there's also a bathroom fan. Okay, back into the master bedroom. Beautiful inlaid hardwood floors. And here's the view from this window here. And you also have a beautiful view from the sunroom. This would be the perfect home office or sitting area. There are double pane windows here, so this unit is nicely insulated and very quiet. Okay, so now I'm going to take you to the common areas of this flat. We're back in the entryway. There's that little alcove and intercom system. Here's a nice big closet. Amazing living room with built-in cabinets. There is a fireplace, bay window, nice big tree, formal dining room with craftsman-style ceilings, built-in cabinets. Just a beautiful space here. This dining room is also open to a fabulous kitchen Very elegant with Carrara marble counters. There's bar stool seating, lots of cabinet and counter space, high-end gas range, refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, and top-down, bottom-up shades in the kitchen. Okay, in your back porch you have stackable private laundry machines. And through this back door I'm going to take you down to the garage and to the backyard, where we will conclude our video tour. Okay, so here is the garage. It is a very large garage space. You can actually fit 2 cars in here. And down the breezeway here, to the right, is where the garbage cans go. And through this door is a magnificent backyard. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.